Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this acoustic portable speaker. And so I like to do fun stuff like karaoke and whatnot. So I thought, hey, this would be great. I can carry around the speaker and my little microphone set and I'm good to go. But let's see what we got here. We have the microphone here. So that's cool. We have a strap. I guess this is going to be to hold the speaker. We have a couple of cords. We have this one here, which is the 3.5mm cord. So I guess you can plug in that. This is going to be a USB to USB-C charging cable. We have the tiniest little card, I guess, that has the brand on it. And then in here, everything else is empty. This is all we have left is this item here, which is the speaker. Ta-da! This is it here. So let's see if we can try this thing out. Hopefully it's got some charged built in when it starts. Let's see here. We can peel off the satisfying peel there. Oh, it had the instruction manual right there. So let's see. Well, I don't speak Chinese. Where's the English side? Okay, here's the English part here. So if you speak English like me, you could probably pause this and zoom in if you needed any part of the manual. There you go. Okay. So let's go ahead and, oops, everything's falling off the table here. I'll aim you guys down a little so you can see what I'm doing. I have an iPad if I wanted to hook that up too, but right now we'll try this. So let's see. So this one here looks like it unscrews. Let's see. Oh, and I guess it's got a battery in there. Let's see, I guess it's going to charge somehow. I don't know. I'll have to read this to figure out how to turn this, how to make this all work. Oh, DC 5-inch charge jack is right here. I didn't even need to open it right there. That's how you charge it. And then you have the power button over here, I guess. So there, you can see it lights up. Okay, but let's see. Here we go. Let's turn this one on. So it looks like there's a power button up here. Hi. Okay.
Bluetooth is waiting for connection.
Mic volume. Oh, wow. That is super loud. Okay, so I see this one guy I follow on YouTube or something like that, or one of those ones there, and he's always biking around singing as he's going. This would be perfect for something like that. So this is super loud. You can hear it now. Oh, you can, I'm sorry, my microphone's here. You can hear it now. It's got a little bit of a, it's got a really good sound, actually. You can tell I'm talking on a microphone, but let's see, there's the echo. Does echo. Oh yeah, echo makes it echo. And then we have a music volume one too. So let me see if I can connect it up to Bluetooth. It looks like it wants to be Bluetoothy there. So let me go on my iPad and connect it up to Bluetooth. I see a couple of things. I don't know which one it is. I'm in an apartment, so there's a lot of devices around here. I don't know which one's going to be which. I guess it's probably not that one that I just clicked because it's not going.
Bluetooth is connected.
Okay, so it's called S95. So I have a bunch of different ones here. People name their things weird things. But okay, so S95, but we're connected. And I'm not going to be able to really do, play a regular song, but I'll play myself. Okay, so now I have a YouTube video of myself playing. Let me turn that up, music volume. So here I am playing a really rudimentary video of mine. So this is what it looks like here. It's got a good weight to it. It's not heavy or anything like that. Okay, I turned off the microphone, but this is just playing my video here. And it's pretty loud. I mean, you guys can hear. And I have it on, well, that's on full blast for that, but this one here. Yeah, so this is on pretty... It's not the best day outside today, otherwise I'd be showing you outside, but... My neighbors are going to be really mad. But it gets really loud, which is surprising, so that's really good. So it does all that. Let me see if I can do controls on here. Yep, if I hit pause on here, it paused my video and paused the sound. I don't know what recording does. I'm not sure. I'll have to look up some of these other things here. But I could be playing. This is cool because I could be playing like a music video and then singing along. So it's going to be like my little portable karaoke and can do everything. Okay, so let's look at the rest of this here. So it looks like here's the charger here. We have a little micro SD TF slot, so we could probably put some MP3s or music on there to play it. And then we have a USB one, so we could probably charge our phone out of that if we really want to. There's our auxiliary port, so that's that 3.5 millimeter one there, so we could connect it up to another device if we want to plug it into a TV or something like that or whatever. And then we have the microphone spot, so I guess if we wanted to use something other than the wireless mic, we could use that as well. So that's pretty cool. So it's got all this here. It's a nice little one here. And then we have the little clips on the back too. So we can, so I could do this, clip it on here. Let me get this twist tie off. This is really cool. So you see, this is like a 5-minute video, and I've got this thing going from all the way from opening up the box to working. So very easy to use, that's for sure. I mean, I got it working, connected up and everything. So we have this strap here. So let me make it bigger. So I could just walk around with this. So if I was a tour guide or something, I could just be walking around with people, you know, doing that for this, and it's not too heavy or anything like that. So it's really cool. Got a lot of uses, or I could just sing and walk around and drive everybody crazy. So I like this. This is a really nice device. So totally thumbs up from me. I like it. So pick up one of these here. It's the acoustic portable speaker right there. So if you guys have any desire to have some fun, this is what you need.